Okay, it's going. Do it, Eddie.
What?
Just press the numbers. Just do whatever. Do what was making the noise. I can't believe this is a kid toy. What was that one we figured out? Like here and No, there was what other one was there? There was no wait. It was like And this is a kid toy. It's pretty messed up.